separation confirmed.
Don't yell.
Evacuation. All good call-outs through MECO stage set. Burn of the Marlin vacuum engine. You can see the hypersonic grid fins deploying there on the first stage. Those will help provide steering and stability as this first stage makes its way back down towards the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, which is stationed out in the Pacific Ocean. Aerial separation confirmed.
Wow.
A little
It's
more
beautiful,
than 3
huh?
minutes to flight, and unlike most launches for Starlink, we didn't actually see the payload fairings separate from the outer stage, which is a bit unusual, especially for a Starlink mission. And so far there have been no onboard camera views of the second stage either, which is also a bit